So guys, this is the egg we're going to be using. I just finished boiling it. If you're hearing any noise, please, my kids are here. So now that the whole water is gone, all you need to do is put cold water in it. So this is how to get a perfect peeled egg. Now that there's cold water in it, just give it a few seconds. So guys, we're back now. The egg is cold now. This is the perfect way to peel egg. To get a perfect peeled egg, that's how to go about it. Perfect, that's how to go about it. There's no two ways about it. Hello SS Farm, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you all are keeping safe and choosing faith instead of fear. In today's video, we're going to be making egg roll. It's a delicious and yummy snack. That's what we're going to be making today, and these are all my ingredients that we're going to be needing. So first thing first, we're going to be using all-purpose flour, 4 cups of all-purpose flour. 2, 3, 4. As usual guys, you will always hear my kids in the background. They're always here with me. I'm going to be using sugar. So the sugar that I have in here, so just go like that. This is a tablespoon. 1, 2, and 3. That's 3. For the, you know, one thing about this recipe, flavor is what you like. Choose whatever flavor that you like. Like me, a lot of people like nutmeg. I don't like nutmeg, so this is nutmeg here. I'm going to be using a pinch, just a pinch, because just for the flavor to be there. I don't like it. So salt, I'm going to be using a teaspoon of salt. So I'm giving you guys the right measurement. So that's half. So that's a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be using a teaspoon too of baking powder. That's half. That's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So I'm taking it. So this is my turmeric. So I'm going to be using just half a teaspoon of turmeric. That's what I'm going to be using. See, just half, like so. Like I said before, whatever flavor you're using, like if you know you like nutmeg, use 1 tablespoon. So if you like the flavor, use 1 tablespoon. But me, I don't like nutmeg, that's why I'm using that. And we are now going to stir together all our dry ingredients. So before we stir together, I'm going to be, because I'm not going to be using liquid milk, so I'm going to be using my Nigerian milk. So I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon for flavor. You can add more if you want, there's no big deal. So just like that, now that all the dry ingredients are in here, we are just going to give them a stir it together. If this is the first time you've ever clicked on my video, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, and if you find the recipe easy to follow, you can always share the video if you like. When you're done stirring all your dry ingredients together, you're going to put your butter. But before then, I just like to add a little bit of lemon zest, just like this, just a little. I don't want too much. Everything is for flavor. You can omit this, just like that, just a little. So that's all I'm going to be adding. See, just a little. I don't want too much. Toss it in. It gives it a perfect flavor. Then give it a stir. To all our returning subscribers, we thank you. All our new subscribers, we thank you. Everyone coming back to watch, we thank you all. You all are awesome. God bless you all. So now, just boil a hole in the middle like so. Then put your butter. But this is what I'm using today. Margarine. So that's what I'm using. So half a cup. My hand is clean as always. Just mix it together like that. Gently mix it together. You can use a spatula if you're not comfortable with your hand. You know me. I am always comfortable with my hand. Thank you so much for always watching our video. If you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Subscription is free. And when you give the video a thumbs up because you like the video, it's also free. So you see, now the margarine is well mixed. Then I'm going to be putting 2 of my egg yolk. So I just put 2 of my egg yolk, mix it together. So you see, I used powder milk. Because I used powder milk, I'm not going to be using liquid milk. You can also go ahead and use liquid milk. It's just perfect. If you don't have powder milk, you use liquid milk instead of water. If you add powder milk and you still choose to use liquid milk, it's just fine. It's all flavor. That will make it extra delicious. Delicious. So now that that is all mixed, I'm going to be boiling the hole in the middle, and we're going to be adding our water gradually. You know now. Before then, this is my vanilla. Look at it. Just 1 tablespoon, like so. Put it in. Then we start introducing our water gradually. Like I said before, you can use liquid milk if that is what you like. You don't want to overwork your dough, so I'm just going to be using it to coat it in like that. Keep adding your water. Just be coating it like this. You don't need to overwork it. See? Keep going. This is an easy step for everyone to be able to follow and make a perfect, yummy, delicious egg roll. It's a perfect process to follow until you get a perfect consistency that you're looking for. Not too soft, not too hard. Just going to put a bit again, just like that. Yeah. Now that it's looking like this, I'm going to put some flour on the table and perfect it just the way I want it. So the sprinkle like so. Sprinkle it in like so. Then you get it out of the plate. I don't like it sticky. So when it's not this sticky, you see it's not sticking to the ground anymore, even without no flour. That's when you know you have made a perfect dough. So this dough is ready like this. This is just the perfect dough, just the way I want it. Not too strong, not too soft. So now that it's like this, I'm just going to put it in my plate and cover. So before I put it in my plate, I don't want it to be sticky. Just put it like that and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Let me cover it with towel paper. So I'll keep it aside. 10 minutes later, it has rested. Boom. Awesome. Then let's put a little bit of this here. I'm going to be cutting it out. So we're going to make like 10 it. So put it back. So now just place it like so. Roll it out a bit. Then roll it out a bit. See? Perfect. And take one egg, place it in, then start to cover. See? Going like that. It's easy. Then do as if you are stirring it. See? Now, roll it. See? It's not even sticky to my hand. That is how you know you have made a perfect dough. Your dough should never be too thick or too soft. See? Ready? So while we are doing all this, I don't want to be moving my camera up and down. I'm just going to get a pot. I choose not to use fry pan this time. And use any vegetable oil of your choice, like that. I put it on the medium heat, so the oil can be heating up while I perfect the rest. Look at it. Take it like this. Just use your hand. So use your hand to flatten it like it's so fast. See? You don't need to roll. Now that it's like this, get an egg, place it in the middle, then go like this. Then you seal it completely, then you lie it back. See? You can put a bit of flour in your hand. Mine is not sticky, so it's not needed. So you see? Perfect. See? All 10 here is ready. Then we're going to be frying 8 and we're going to be baking 2. So this is my oven pan. Just place it like that. So just place 1 and 2. We're going to put it in the oven, but before we do so, I'm going to rub egg in it. So you know, for the recipe just now, I used just egg yolk. I didn't use the egg white, so just rub it in it. Brush it through. Baked 350. Then let's put it in the oven. So guys, this is the oil that we put here since when we're making it. So the oil should be hot enough now. We're going to be putting 1 in. So you see, that's how you want your oil to receive the egg roll. Don't overcrowd your pot. So I think 4 is just good enough. So our own is still, the other one is still in the oven. I have my skewer here. Give it a turn. Not stir. Give it a turn, like right away. You want it to be perfectly cooked, so use a medium heat. You see the way I'm not neglecting it. I'm here with it. Give it a turn. You must use a medium so that your egg roll will be perfectly cooked. If you just put it and you leave it alone, you're going to get it burnt. One more. So I'm just going to put it here. Put it down and fry it. Boom. Like that. If you're the type that like, oh, I want to eat healthy, so you don't want to soak in the oil because of fat, that's why I'm baking extra 3 in the oven. So we're going to see how that one turns out when I bring it out. It's the same thing you guys are going to like. So guys, did you see that? Did you see that? You see? It's golden brown. Who wouldn't love this? Who wouldn't love this? It's golden brown, guys. So you see the extra 2 that I dropped, they are coming up well. Now we're going to be bringing this one out. Boom! Let's pick it like that. Look! Oh my word! SS. So I'm putting it in the towel paper. Taking out another one. So I'm using this to pick them out so that the oil can drain out completely before I put it in the towel paper like so. Oh my word!
I can't wait to get my hands on that.
Did you hear that?
I want to get my hands on that.
Kayla, you too.
Me too.
Alright, my kids cannot wait to get their hands and mouth in it.
It's so sweet. Yo, and feel my belly rumbling for them.
Your belly is rumbling for it. Okay. Guys, see those egg? They are so perfect. So, SSFam, this is the finished look, and this is the fried one, and this is the oven baked one. So I'm going to be opening the both for you guys to see, so you can see the yumminess, and we're going to try it for you guys too. So I'm going to cut one open. Hopefully I get the egg. Oh, be gentle, mama. Oh, I got it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I can't wait. I'm just good.
These guys are all like,
yes.
Let's go.
Who's gonna try first? Mommy or me? Let's go. Which one now?
Delicious.
Which one?
Like I said, you should have made them.
I want to try too.
So let's open the oven baked one so you guys can see. So you see the bottom part of the oven baked one, and this is the upper part. If you have rubbed the full egg with both yolk and white, it's gonna give it a super brown color. But since I just use egg white, we use yolk for this, so I don't want to waste my egg white. So I use it for this. This is why it's like looking like this, and it's looking good. So let's cut it open. Oh, it's still hot. Whoa, guys, look at that. See? Guys, this is the inside. It smells so good.
It looks amazing.
And this is the oven baked one. So, if you guys give it a try, be sure to leave your comment in the comment section. Subscribe, like, and share. We love you all just the way you love us. Peace.